Hey YouTube, it's Carl here, back with another little shop time. This is just a quick little video of how I fixed my auto darkening welding helmet that I bought off of Amazon. It's just a cheap welding helmet. So let's show you how I did it. So here's the cheap welding helmet. Just $35 off of Amazon. It worked really good for, I would say, the first 4 hours worth of welding, and then it would just flicker on and off while you were welding. And did some research, and the little batteries inside eventually go dead and don't hold the charge anymore. So this is what was in it. It was hardwired in. You could not just replace the battery. So I went on Amazon and I found a little, let's see if we can get in there. There's a little tiny battery cell holder that holds 20, let me just check here. Oh, it holds 2032 battery cell. It's got an on and off switch, so it's just not being drained when it's not in use. And I just hardwired it right in to inside here, where this battery used to be, and now the mask looks great. Let's see if you can see out of the mask. If I turned my light off, I bet you could. Turn that light off. Oh, I guess it didn't turn that light off. Well, that's that, and you have yourselves a good day. And don't forget to get out in the shop and have some fun. See you later.